Been there myself, but it's so important that we take care of our mental well-being.
I like to take breaks from social media and invest in things.
Hell yeah, self-care.
For more, watch the full treatment now on ITV Hub. The nation's favorite Richmond sausages. Always on hand to make